Hello dear traders, welcome to the weekly review of SabioTrade Wave Rider strategy. This week we closed 9 trades, 8 of them were profitable and 1 was closed with a loss. Currently we have 3 open trades on Aussie USD. Let's check all the trades in the details. And we start from the first currency pair. This is Aussie USD. We are on an hourly time frame where each vertical line separates one trading day, and with a gray rectangle we highlighted the trading area of the previous week. As you can see, our downtrend continues and the market established new local lows. So we can see that it found the support on the prices of the beginning of September and even broke through them. So now we're heading to the next support level, which is established at the lower part of the previous consolidation zone. So we can see that this week we started from closing our sell trades. We are holding from the previous week. If we switch to the 15-minute time frame, we're going to see it in the details. On Monday and Tuesday, market tried to date the previous local highs but didn't succeed with it. So by the end of Tuesday, it came to the lower border of this trading channel. Actually, this was the place where we closed our previous sell trades and opened our buy trades. Then on Wednesday, market updated the local lows and bounced off the previous local lows and continued its movement to the upper border of the price channel but didn't reach it, and at this point we closed our buy trade and then waited for the market to bounce back and opened another buy trade that we closed here almost at the same levels. And from this point we started selling because market was testing the previous local high, and this trade also was successful. We closed it with a profit, and on the reversal moment after the market broke the previous local lows, we started buying. Unfortunately, this kind of movement was not sufficient for us to close our buy trades, so that's why we were holding our positions. And that's why when Trump announced new tariffs against China and Australian dollar fell down, because as you know, Australian and Chinese economies are bounded, and we already saw a similar reaction when Donald Trump announced his tariffs for the first time. It was in April. Here you can see that the market fell for more than 4% in a day, but here we can see the decline was smaller. We felt only for 1.2%. But still, despite this decline, the uptrend continues, and you can see that we have all chances for the price to recover from these levels and continue this growth, so it will help us to close all the remaining trades with a profit. Another scenario that we have is the retest of the previous support level, and this will give us an opportunity to add from 2 to 3 additional trades. I would like to remind you that we have up to 11 trades in the sequence with this trading strategy. So this is absolutely normal. Even if the market goes lower and retests the previous local support level, it is okay. We're gonna add additional buy positions and then close all the trades on the subsequent correction. The profit of this week amounted to $11, and let's switch to the next currency pair. This is GBP USD. We are again on an hourly time frame, and here you can see that the downtrend continues. It started when Fed announced the decrease of the interest rate, and since that time we can see that market is declining, and now we have another phase of acceleration of this trend. And also market broke September's lows, and now we can see that it is heading downwards. Speaking about the trades we made this week, we were buying. So the first trade we made was on Tuesday after the market retested the previous local low. We bought at this point and closed this trade with a profit. Then we established another local low and another local low, and after we retested it on Thursday we bought again. Then we averaged this trade, and on this reversal moment on Friday we closed both trades with a profit. The profit of this week amounted to $17, and on the daily time frame we can see that in this consolidation that we were speaking about for I think 2 or 3 last months, we can see this downward channel inside this movement, and the price is pushed towards this support level that we tried to break for a couple of times, and now I think it's time for the market to retest the current local lows. But still, if we build the global trend line, we can see that we are in a consolidation. But before these local lows are broken, it's still too early to speak about the real downtrend. So let's see how the market opens on Monday. I hope that all of you managed to make some profit with us. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video review.